Volkswagen ID range can be charged with two different types of connector. The Type 2 connector plugs into your vehicle from a 3-pin household socket or a home-installed wall box, both providing AC power. Using a household socket is typically the slowest way to charge, which delivers 2.3 kilowatts. It's a good option for drivers who tend to stay local and like to top up overnight. A home-installed wall box offers faster charging, delivering up to 7 kilowatts. That's up to 3 times faster than a 3-pin plug. Perfect for drivers with longer daily commutes. When it comes to charging mid-journey, most public charging stations also offer this Type 2 connection. However, rapid charging requires a combined charging system connector known as a CCS connector. These connectors provide DC power to the ID range at a maximum rate of 170 kilowatts, capable of charging your vehicle to 80% in as little as 30 minutes, depending on the model. Whichever compatible charger and connector you use, the charging port is found on the driver's rear side. Simply unlock the car to access the port, plug in, and ensure the charge light is green. Once connected, the charging menu in the infotainment system provides you with all the additional settings you need to tailor your charging needs.